What is an operating system? For a computer to run, it needs both hardware and software. Here, hardware means the physical components that make up a computer system like processor and disk drives. Software refers to the computer programs and related data that provide the instructions for telling computer hardware what to do and how to do it. An operating system, OS, is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and function with the software. Without an operating system, a computer would be useless. Operating system. An operating system is a software program that controls all the other programs in a computer. The other programs are called application programs. Application programs make use of the operating system by making requests for services through a defined application program interface, API. Users can interact directly with the operating system through a graphical user interface, GUI. Examples of operating systems. There are many different operating systems that are available. All operating systems do one basic task. They control all input, output, and processing systems. DOS, DOS, Disk Operating System. It is one of the first operating systems for personal computers. It was not very user-friendly. Windows, the Windows operating systems, that is, Windows XP, Windows 7, and Windows 8. These are products of Microsoft. They are graphical user interface operating systems. They are user-friendly operating systems with WIMP features, that is, windows, icons, menus, and pointing device, mouse. Mac OS, Macintosh. It is a product of Apple. Mac operating system also has its own operating system with GUI, graphical user interface, and WIMP features. Unix, Linux, the PC version of Unix. Unix and Linux were originally created with a command line interface, but recently have added GUI enhancements, graphical user interface enhancements.